Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to telling you about top 5 clean foods eating for healthy. So let's start. Plan 1. Fruit. Recipe: pineapple green smoothie. Fruit is almost always a clean choice. Some people worry about fruit's sugar content, but fruit is packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber. Health experts don't worry about natural sugars for the most part because it's hard to overdo it and you're getting beneficial nutrients. You will want to check labels for added sugars in canned fruits and dried fruits. Fruit juice can count toward your daily recommended fruit intake, too. Just make sure it's 100% juice. Even 100% fruit juices don't contain the beneficial fiber found in whole fruits, so you may want to limit your intake. Related, healthy fruit smoothie recipes. Clean fruit to choose. 1. Fresh fruit. 2. Canned fruit with no added sugar. 3. Frozen fruit with no added sugar. 4. Dried fruit with no added sugar. 5. 100% fruit juice. Plan 2. Vegetables. Recipe: green shakshuka. Vegetables should be the building blocks of your clean eating meals because they're packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber. Frozen and canned vegetables are healthy, too, but choose ones without sauces and be sure to read the label since even items that look plain may have added salt. There are tons of convenient ways to eat your veggies when you're short on prep time. Supermarkets offer a variety of pre-cut vegetables and even pre-spiralized veggie noodles, plus, there's always frozen. We're all for shortcuts that make it easier to get vegetables into your diet, but watch out for veggie chips and veggie pasta that may just have a sprinkling of vegetable dust, rather than a full serving of vegetables. Don't miss Take Our Eat More Vegetables Challenge. Clean vegetables. 1. Any fresh vegetable. 2. Frozen vegetables with no sauce or added salt. 3. Canned vegetables with no sauce or added salt. Plan 3. Whole grains. How to make quinoa avocado salad. Recipe: quinoa avocado salad. Whole grains are the healthy, good-for-you carbs that deliver fiber and nutrition. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, barley, oats, farro or millet, are relatively unprocessed and contain only one ingredient. They're about as clean as you can get. When it comes to other whole grain products, look for whole wheat versions of pasta, refrigerated pizza dough, bread and English muffins. Just be sure that whole wheat flour is the first ingredient and there isn't sugar in the ingredient list. Even popcorn is a whole grain. Buy the kernels and pop them on the stove or in an air popper for a clean snack that doesn't have the additives and buttery calories you find in microwave bags. Don't miss 7-day clean eating meal plan. Clean whole grains. 1. Single ingredient grains, such as farro, millet, oats, barley, quinoa, brown rice, etc. 2. Whole wheat pasta. 3. Popcorn. 4. Sprouted whole grain bread and English muffins with no added sugar. 5. Whole wheat pizza dough. Plan 4. Dairy. Recipe: mac and cheese with collards. Choose plain yogurt, either regular or Greek, over vanilla and fruit-flavored yogurts, which are high in added sugar, to clean up your diet. Dairy products, such as cheese and milk, can do double duty. Eat them solo or use them as ingredients in cleaner homemade versions of foods, such as pizza and macaroni and cheese. Opting for non-dairy alternatives, such as soy, coconut and almond milk. Look for unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugar. Also, check reduced and low-fat dairy products to make sure they aren't loaded with fillers or weird ingredients. Some are, some aren't. Plain, whole milk dairy is a clean choice. Clean dairy foods. 1. Plain yogurt. 2. Milk. 3. Cheese. 4. Unsweetened non-dairy milks. Plan 5. Protein. Pork chops with creamy mushroom sauce. Recipe: pork chops with creamy mushroom sauce. Meat offers protein, iron and vitamin B12. Eating cleaner means avoiding processed foods, so steer clear of bologna, salami, pepperoni and hot dogs. These and other processed meat products are usually high in sodium and may contain artificial colors as well as preservatives. Choosing environmentally sustainable protein when possible can help you with clean eating, too. We created clean eating guides for chicken, pork and beef to help you discern what the labels mean. Fish and shellfish can be super healthy protein sources, and many fish contain heart-healthy omega-3 fats. Choose sustainably sourced seafood when possible. Check out our Clean Eating Buyer's Guide to Seafood to help you make smart choices. Eggs are a great choice, and don't skip the yolk or you'll miss out on extra protein and nutrients. Nuts, seeds and beans are all great choices for plant-based proteins. Just be sure to look for lower sodium options when possible. Related: 5 healthiest fish to eat and 5 to avoid. Clean proteins. 1. Single ingredient meats: chicken breast, chicken legs, ground beef, etc. 2. Seafood: choose sustainable options, such as wild salmon and Pacific cod. 3. Eggs. 4. Unflavored nuts, e.g., almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, walnuts. 5. Plain nut butters, no added sugar. 6. Dried beans. 7. Canned beans, rinse to reduce sodium by 35%. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. To never miss another update from my channel, stay with us.